Reggae royalty in the building this week. You're not for humble with it. Me hype it for you. You're not for hype it. Me hype it for you. What going, brother?
Me there, man. Me there, my brother.
Always a pleasure, you know.
Always a joy.
First of all, we see what going on in 2020. Give me 3 words to describe the year for you.
Blessings.
Yeah.
Joyful.
Yeah.
Tough in some.
For most people, right? No, talk to me. Blessings was the first word that came to your mind.
Yeah.
And that's not necessarily the way most people would have described 2020. Tell us why it was a blessing for you.
And we're holding on, because we, I feel like the joy what them bring, help to just, help us to forget some of the stress and the struggle what the whole thing might bring. That's
a grand brother, which is the perfect segue now to this big song we have right now. Everybody are talking about. You know what I mean? Introduce that for me.
Beautiful to me.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful song, a song that was written for Liz.
Some of them have a closing, so I feel yourself to sing well. I see Ashley and Talia, they sing to them, I feel them song too.
Wake up, and in the mornings when you wake up, you're so beautiful to me. And maybe you don't like your hair, but I don't even care. 'Cause you're so beautiful to me.